An investigation by Arizona's family uncovered more than 2,000 cases of students being physically grabbed and held by teachers at Valley schools. Now that investigation is getting some results. Last week, we reported on a family's lawsuit against the Scottsdale Unified School District. The McCarthy family claims their son was illegally restrained at a school. Arizona's family checked federal records and discovered that Scottsdale Unified had reported that it had never restrained any students at any of their campuses in the 2015 school year. After we started asking questions, the district acknowledged today that it failed to properly report these incidents to the feds and said it would correct the problem in the future. You can find our full investigation on azfamily.com. Well, pot on campus. The rules for medical marijuana at state universities now changing tonight. Schools say that it's still against the rules, but you can no longer get arrested for it. Lauren Reimer shares what that means for students now.
So I was born with a misaligned vertebrae in my back.
As a freshman at ASU, Andre Maestas turned to medical marijuana for pain management.
So it was just better for me, allowed me to stay clear-headed.
In 2014, campus police found a small amount of marijuana in his dorm room. Maestas was convicted of a felony. His attorney, Tom Dean, explains medical marijuana was passed in 2010. 2 years later, state legislature added to the law, making it illegal to use or possess it on campus.
We have in Arizona what's called the Arizona Voter Protection Act. It's part of our Constitution, and it says that you can't modify a voter ballot initiative.
He argued this rule change went against that act, and today Arizona Supreme Court judges agreed with him, overturning the law and making it legal to carry and possess medical marijuana on campus.
This was a huge win for all voters, whether you agree with medical marijuana or not. If you're a voter, you won today. You won a very important decision today, stopping the legislature from being able to take that power back from the people.
But that doesn't mean students and staff can start lighting up on campus. All 3 state schools can still set their own rules and enforce them. And they say use and possession are not allowed.
If they get caught, then they could be subject to like internal disciplinary actions. Usually for a first offense, it's a warning. It could go all the way up to expulsion.
But arrest is no longer a risk.
I'm happy that the long process has finally come to an end and that we were proven correct.
Lauren Reimer for Arizona's Family.